Hello, English learners. Today we will learn about 25 different professions. Which profession do you like the most? Comment down.
Hi, I am a doctor. I treat sick people and give them medicine for a healthy life. Stay healthy, friends.
Hey, I am a singer. I sing songs and entertain people. Do you like music? La la la.
Hello, I am a nurse. I take care of patients and help them feel better. Caring with love.
Hey, I am a mechanic. I fix cars and I love fixing cars.
Hi, I am a cleaner. I clean places and keep them neat. Sparkling clean always.
Hey, I am a businessman. I run a business and make ideas grow. Think big, win.
Hello, I am a gym trainer. I help people stay fit and strong. Move, sweat, smile.
Hi, I am a photographer. I take photos and capture special moments. Smile.
Hey, I am a waiter. I serve food and drinks to customers. Enjoy your meal.
Hello, I am a student. I study and learn every day. What do you like to learn? Books are great.
Hi, I am a hotel manager. I take care of guests and make them happy. Welcome, feel home.
Hey, I am a driver. I drive people safely to their destination. Buckle up, ready.
Hello, I am a hairdresser. I cut hair and make people look nice. Snip, snip, beautiful. Hey, I am a scientist. I do experiments and discover new things. Wow, so cool.
Hi, I am a shopkeeper. I sell things and help customers. Come and shop.
Hello, I am a firefighter. I put out fires and save people, brave and strong. Hi, I am a lawyer. I help people with rules and laws, fair and just.
Hello, I am a pilot. I fly airplanes and travel around the world. Isn't that amazing?
Hey, I am a farmer. I grow fresh food for people to eat. Seeds grow big.
Hello, I am a construction worker. I build houses and big buildings, strong and tall.
Hi, I am an artist. I paint beautiful pictures and show them to you. Colors are magic. Hi, I am a programmer. I build apps and solve problems with code. Click, type, create. Hello, I am a teacher. I teach students and help them learn new things. Do you like school? Learning is fun.
Hi, I am a chef. I cook delicious food for everyone. What is your favorite food? Yummy and tasty.
Hey, I am a police officer. I keep people safe and catch bad guys. Stay safe, everyone.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more English lessons.